Hi, Squirt. Want to do some tricks? Beg. Beg. No. Beg. Come on, sit up. Oh, there you go. Okay. Sit. Down. Roll over. There you go. Good boy. Come on, up. High five. Good boy. Okay, high five again, a little better this time. There you go. Sit. Down. Play dead. That's roll over. Dead. Down. Play dead. There you go. Good boy. You're a little antsy this morning. Up. Dance around. Good boy. Walk. Okay, sit. Shake. Good boy. Okay, last one. Speak. No. Sit. Speak. Good boy. I felt the need to redeem him a little bit since I totally trashed him in my journal, so sorry, Squirt. You're a cute, fluffy little